In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to find numbers that can be divided by 6. And by the number 15. First, we're going to find out when you can divide a number by 6. In order to determine the number that can be divided by 6, we first need to use two rules. These are the rule of division by 2 and by 3. Therefore, if a number can be divided by 2, and at the same time the same number can be divided by 3, then that number can be divided by 6. We have the numbers 444, 180, and 1230. Which of these numbers can be divided by 6? First, let's define it. If the number 444 can be divided by 2, to do this, we determine the last digit. The last digit is 4. If a number has a last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, then that number can be divided by 2. 444 can be divided by 2, and 3 can be divided by 3. To do this, we will find the sum of the digits. 4 plus 4 and plus 4 is 12. Can 12 be divided by 3? Yes, it can. Then the number 444 can be divided by 6. The next number, this number is 180. The last digit is 0. Then the number 180 can be divided by 2. If I find the sum of the digits 1 plus 8 and plus 0, that's 9. And 9 can be divided by 3. Then the number 180 can be divided by 2. And the same number can be divided by 3. Therefore, the number 180 can be divided by 6. And another number, the number 1230. This number can be divided by 2 because the last digit is 0. If I find the sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's 6, and 6 can be divided by 3. The number 1230 can be divided by 2 without a remainder. And the number 1230 can be divided by 3 without a remainder. Then the number 1230 can be divided by 6 without a remainder. And now, let's think about the scenario where a number can be evenly divided by 15. In this specific case, the same rule still applies, however, a number can be divided by 15 without remainder if the number can be divided by 3 without remainder, and the same number can be divided without remainder by the number 5. Consider our numbers. The number 444 can be divided by 3 because the sum of the digits equals 12, and 12 can be divided by 3. But 444 can't be divided by 5 because the last digit is 4, and a number can be divided by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Then the number 444 cannot be divided by 15 without a remainder. The next number is 180. 180 can be divided by 3 because the sum of the digits equals 9. 180 can be divided by 5 because the last digit is 0. Then the number 180 can be divided by 15 without a remainder. And another number, 1230. 1230 can be divided by 3 because the sum of the digits equals 6. And the same number, 1,230, can be divided by 5 because the last digit is 0. Then the number 1,230 can be divided by 15 without a remainder. Use these rules when solving problems, and then you will find a number that can be divided by 6, or a number that can be divided by 15. And for today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.